What connects the Taj Mahal, the Delhi High Court, Delhi Airport, Indian School of Business, Ambani's house, Wipro's Hyderabad office, two islands in Bet Dwarka, and an entire village in Tamil Nadu? All of these have been claimed by the Waqf Board as their lands. Maharashtra alone has 92,000 acres of land as Waqf properties. So, what is Waqf land and why is it controversial? Let's take a look. Waqf properties are those movable and immovable properties dedicated by a person professing Islam for any purpose recognized by the Muslim law as pious, religious, or charitable. But if truth be told, there is no direct reference to Waqf in the Quran. The concept of Waqf evolves from a number of hadiths which were compiled generations after Prophet Muhammad's death, and there is a lot of difference between how Waqf was treated then and now. The Waqif or the donor and Mutawali or the custodian had no private rights over it, but today there exists a Waqf board in every state which goes on to stake its claim on different lands. So on what basis does the Waqf board stake its claim? According to Section 40 of the Waqf Act 1995 passed by the then Congress government, a property is Waqf property if the state Waqf board has reason to believe it to be Waqf property. To put it simply, if tomorrow the Waqf board believes that your house is a Waqf property, then they can claim ownership. And the decision of the Waqf board, which can comprise only Muslims, will be final and binding. And you cannot go to the court regarding proof of your land, you will have to go to the Waqf tribunal. This is how they have been able to claim Mukesh Ambani's Antila as their property. The Maharashtra Waqf Board claimed that the land purchased by Ambani in 2005 belonged to a Muslim orphanage was illegally sold. The case is now pending before the Supreme Court with little information available regarding them in the public domain. Similarly, AIMIM MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi in every session of the Assembly in the 2006-7 period mandatorily raised the issue of biggies like Indian School of Business and Microsoft being located on land owned by the Waqf Board. And in 2007, the Minority Welfare Department of the Andhra Pradesh government, headed by Congress Chief Minister Y.S. Rajashekara Reddy, wrote to the Revenue Department and the District Collector that institutions and companies such as ISB, Microsoft, Wipro, Lanco, Gems and Jewelry Park, and Maulana Azad Urdu University are located on Waqf property, and they should therefore cough up an annual ground rent for use of the land. The Waqf Board claimed that 1,654 acres of Manikonda village on which these lands fall once belonged to a Muslim named Hussain Shah Wali. To make matters worse, the Andhra High Court ruled in favor of Waqf. However, a panicked Telangana government approached the Supreme Court, which ruled that 1,654 acres of Manikonda village belonged to the state government. A government or someone like Ambani can go to the highest courts for justice, but what about the plight of commoners? Recently, the Tamil Nadu Waqf Board claimed the entire Tiruchendurai village in Tiruchirappalli district. The matter came to light when a man entered into an agreement to sell 1 acre 2 cents of his land to another person when Sub-Registrar Office told him that the land cannot be registered as it belongs to the Tamil Nadu Waqf Board. He was to get a no objection certificate from the Tamil Nadu Waqf Board office in Chennai to sell the land. Apparently, the Waqf Board had sent a letter to the registration department along with documents that the entire village belongs to them and that those who come to register a deed for a land in the village should get a NOC from them. In another incident in the Ranipet district of Tamil Nadu, agricultural lands became Waqf properties overnight. The Sachar Committee report of 2006 noted that there were about 4.9 lakhs registered Waqf properties comprising of about 6 lakh acres of land. But as of December 2022, there are over 8.6 lakh Waqf properties spread over 8 lakh acres of land, making the Waqf Board one of the largest landowners after the Government of India. The number of properties has almost doubled in the last 16 years. How did this number rise is everybody's guess. First they claim lands, then they occupy lands, then the Waqf beneficiaries illegally sell those lands, then they legally claim the lands they illegally sold, and these deals are mired in corruption. In 2012, a case of corruption amounting to 2 lakh crores in Karnataka Waqf Board was unearthed. Given the scale of Waqf properties, it could turn out to be the biggest ever scam. It is high time the people of India question the legalities of Waqf boards and make them accountable, else there will be a day when they will kick you out of your own house.